Hey guys, once again welcome back to Craftastic Forever, and today I'll be showing you how to make your own DIY heart envelope, which is also 3D and really pretty. So let's get started. You can also give it to your friends or family members, or if it's Mother's Day, Father's Day, anything, so or anyone's birthday also. So let's get started. First you want to do is make a straight line crease right there, open it back, then fold it the other way, also a straight line crease, just like so, and we've got a middle point. Now take one side, any one side of your paper and fold it like so. Also keep in mind you're gonna need a square paper, which I'm using as well. Next you're gonna do is do the same, put this one also on the same line to get something like so. Then you're gonna do is fold it this way and get something like a long tube. Same for the other way, so you should get something that looks like this and this. Next you want to do is just fold this and make a crease in the middle again. Now you should have something like this, and then fold it this way and fold this one also. This part is a little tricky, so remember to fold both these sides perfectly from the crease, and just like so, fold it and get this kind of three-pointer shape. Then go for the folds both these sides and this third side. Fold all three sides and something like so you should have, and you have your first part ready. Well, it's not a heart yet, but it will become later, so do the same process on the other side as well. It's super easy to make and really fast. You can make this under 5 minutes. Even if you're a beginner, it won't take you more than 5 to 10 minutes. If you want to give any of your relatives, or if you forgot anyone's birthday, you can make this real fast for gift to give to your friend. So you should have something like this, which is supposed to be kind of like a door when you open it. Ta-da! Now you might be wondering, where's the heart? Here's the thing you gotta do is take the back and fold one side like so, and the other side into a smaller part like this. Same on the other side, do the same thing, which is fold half of it and fold the other half to get a heart. Ta-da! So you get this really pretty heart-shaped box type envelope. You can write here something if you like, or you can just put a written letter inside it and give it to your friend, and ta-da! So it'll look super pretty and super well, that's it. So anyways, thanks for watching my video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Stay creative and stay sweet. See you in my next video. Bye bye.